This is the 1.5 inch bias tape maker. It's a little bit different from the version on Thingiverse. We've added a slit down the back for easier threading. And it's recommended to trim the corners. It's a little bit easier to thread that way. Terrible scissors. And you thread it in with the fabric on the wrong side up. Goes in, out, in, out. It's 2 pieces, 1 fold in each piece. You can use them together or separately. So just push that into the hole and then grab something to pull it through if it's not going. Then this portion gets threaded into the second half for the second fold. And sometimes this pushes all the way through on its own, sometimes not. But once you get them both threaded, these will snap together. This one doesn't because it's a test print. But it's a double fold and ready to sew.